Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to dive into something super exciting. I'm going to show you guys how to install the L-shaped bracket shelves in just a few steps. First things first, let's talk all about the tools. You're going to need your drill and all the necessary drill bit. You're also going to need your screw and a screwdriver, and you're going to need your wall plugs. The most important thing, the material. For the material, you need your L-shaped bracket, and of course I've got this cool one here, but you can pick whatever matches your vibe. If you live in Kenya, you can go to Pandamat. They have a variety of L-shaped bracket. Then you will want your wooden shelving. You can use either MDF. In our case, we are going to work with MDF, or you can also use timber. Before you go in with a screw, always make sure you mark where your bracket will go. I like to use a pencil for this one, and if you're like me with a shaky hand, maybe use a ruler to measure twice and also mark those holes where the screws will go. This way we will avoid screwing or drilling places we don't need to screw up. Now comes the fun part, the drilling. I do love drilling, but if this is the first time you're getting to drill, always remember to keep it steady and don't drill too deep, especially if you are around any electrical box, socket or switch. If you don't know the length at which you should drill, always mark your wall plug and then drill based on that. Once the drilling is done, you're going to position your bracket over your drill hole and secure them using screws. Tighten them until you can't go any further. And also, please, as a side note, don't force it. You're going to repeat this process until all your brackets are up. So depending on how long your shelf is, that is the number of shelves you're going to decide. For me, I always say more than 3 feet, always add a center bracket. This is to allow you to make sure the shelf is strong enough and also for stability. Floating shelves are one of the easier way and most affordable way to add more storage style and also add some visual interest into a room. They can be used in so many different spaces, including kitchen, bathroom, living room, and also your hallway. Apart from the affordability, they are also very much ideal for small spaces. And if you're asking yourself, where can I get such brackets? So this is one of our customized pieces. We do love customized pieces because they meet your interior style and also your need. Because as we all know, different rooms require different needs. If you enjoy this kind of content and love to see more of DIY content, home makeover, and everything in between, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also remember to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. As always, I would love to see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay creative. Bye.